this carry-on luggage. Incredible drive. It is also extremely fast. Right here we see the pointy, but check out the overall design, the silhouette. One flaw, of course, is that you can't open the full window. It will stop right here. If I ignore the screen, eventually it will appear. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This right here is the all-new generation Mercedes C-Class, and in today's video we will take it for a drive. I will show you the exterior, interior, driving characteristics here in Helsinki, Finland. First of all, this is a very interesting color, the lavender gray. It is beautiful with the night package, so black contours around the window, black side mirror caps, so not connected to the pillar, it is connected to the body. It's very good for aerodynamics. You can also go for the Night 2 package that will add some darkened chrome, for example at the door handles. And let's go back to the context of the C-Class. The first C-Class appeared in 1982, Evo 1. It has, in my opinion, always been the baby S-Class. Of course, this is now the only electric version, the C-Class. We can also expect combustion variants to come later, maybe in a different form. But because this is fully electric, you notice it is a little bit higher because of the battery. As you can see, the darkened part on the side skirt. Overall, very broad shoulders from this perspective. In the front we also see that it is pretty pointy, very similar to the GLC when it comes to the front grille, but the GLC is more flat in the diffuser. Right here we see the pointy approach. So it all moves to the front, to the middle, just like a jet style, I would say. It is not a shark nose, it is the opposite way, so it goes a little bit downwards, sloping. In the front we have, of course, the newest design of the C-Class. This grille, as I mentioned, is part of the new look that we see in the GLC, but also many more models that will come later, I expect. There are so many LEDs. Of course it is closed because there is no actual engine inside, so it doesn't need to cool with the air. This is the looks of the classics, in my opinion, like the W111. We have the highest technology digital lights, just like in the S-Class, so hence the baby S-Class approach. And actually the C-Class full electric, it will first appear as the C400. And this is just such a powerful electric motor. 360 kilowatts, which is around 480 horsepower. 800 newton meters of torque. But of course you also have the weight, which is around 2,400 kilograms, and still it goes to 100 kilometers an hour in only 4 seconds. As I mentioned, 800 newton meters of torque, so it really pulls. The towing capacity is 1.8 tons, so you can still tow some smaller stuff. So I will press the Mercedes star because there is an additional trunk. We have 100 liters of storage space, and that is exactly this carry-on luggage. Amazing. So let's close the bonnet, and as I mentioned, electric first for this new generation C-Class, and that you notice that it is a little bit higher, so more ground clearance. But check out the overall design, the silhouette. It looks beautiful in my opinion. We have the seamless door handles that are inside. It is still mechanical, so you can open it like usual. I will show you. You just touch it, and there it opens in a mechanical way. And the rear door. Check out the rear of the vehicle with the tail lights, and I really love the night package because then you have the spoiler in gloss black. It says here C400 4MATIC, and we have also enough trunk space over here capacity is around 600 liters. Even underneath the trunk space we have additional storage. So let's go inside and I will show you the practicality for the rear seats, and then we take it for a drive. Now we are inside the C-Class, the rear seat. And the seat in front of me is in my driving position. And you see I have around 10 centimeters of legroom. Headspace is also very decent, and I'm not even touching the roof. And this panoramic roof is in one part from the front all the way to the rear. We have the different patterns, so you can make it transparent or fully dimmed. Overall, very nice feeling. I do notice, however, that my feet are, the total floor is a little bit higher, so there is some space between the legs and the seat. One flaw, of course, is that you can't open the full window. It will stop right here. And that all has to do with the design of how the door looks and how it doesn't fully go down. Then we have storage space with cup holders, beautiful red seat belts, and a very nice interior with a pillar-to-pillar screen. Right now we have set the destination to Helsinki Airport. To start the motor, the electric motor in the new generation C-Class, there is no start button right here in the center or anywhere else. It is right here on the stick. So you can just push the button to make the electronics work, and to put it into drive you just push it down with the foot on the brake, and there it starts. You just hit the gas or the accelerator and there we go. So we have 4.5 degrees rear axle steering, and this makes it so maneuverable, easy to steer in city. There you see the map of the island that we are on. It is called the AMG Karta, the map. And we are actually also very close to the Russian border, all the way up north in Europe. Amazing. So let me know, guys, where are you from? I would love to read it in the comment section. So we continue. I will take a sharp right turn. The turning radius is really low, smaller than an A-Class, because of this 4.5 degrees turning radius of the rear axle steering. So driving the new C-Class electric, it is extremely comfortable. In my opinion, just like a baby S-Class. And it has to do with, of course, the silence. In the S-Class you can have the combustion engine with this silence. In the C-Class right here, you don't have a combustion engine, hence the silence in the vehicle. But it is also very smooth on the road. We have adaptive damping. It also does the pre-calculation, so it looks at the road in front of you and it adapts the suspension according to the road surface. Incredible drive. It is also extremely fast. Full 180 horsepower, as I mentioned, because this is the dual electric motor, 4-wheel drive C400. The C300 will also be available later on with only rear drive, and that one will be relatively affordable, around 60,000 euros in Germany, including tax. But this is of course the start price. Maneuvering in the corners is so amazing, because if you exceed 60 kilometers an hour and you turn, then the rear wheels, they move in the same direction as the front wheels, and this really improves cornering. The C-Class has always been the baby S-Class. I remember this very good from the W205. When that one released with the normal screens, I have to say, it really had this coming home feeling. Same as with this design. You have the floating, the pillar-to-pillar screen. Very nice. On the side we have only the seat adjustments. And this is new because we used to have the memory seats over here, heating and cooling button. But this now all has transformed inside the digital screens, which in my opinion, I don't really like everything to be in the displays. I want some hard buttons to touch. But Mercedes really compensated because now we have the scroller back. Also the Distronic Plus buttons, they are with hard buttons. So you can really feel it when you press it. And we have some hard buttons down here. Parking button, the hazards, dynamic select. So if you switch it, you can change the driving characteristics of the vehicle into economic, individual, comfort and sport. And that reminds me, there might also be some sound. So if you hit the button over here, go to settings, the sound experience, you can activate it. Vivid Flux or the Roaring Pulse. According to the calculations, the WLTP, the range is around 800 kilometers. And I can quickly check, since we drove this car since the start of the day. I will just need to swipe to the left or right. And with the swiping you can change the gauges in front of you. Now it says it is 70% battery status and a range of 475 kilometers. Then you have the navigation view and the full assistance, where it notices other cars around you. So let's reverse. And you notice here it says start reversing because it memorized the last 150 meters. So you don't really have to do a lot of work. It just goes back exactly the way how we came. So there is no car coming. And you can just reverse 150 meters back. But we don't need it, so let's put it into drive and we will continue. I assume that the actual range will be around 600 kilometers. It really depends on your driving behavior, your style, and of course the conditions outside, temperature. This is the new screen, from pillar to pillar, 39.1 inch. Of course you can also check out the apps, different settings, but you already see that I can get distracted quite easily by operating the screen. It's just like a mobile phone. But for that, Mercedes has the assistance. So you can talk with the car and go to any setting that you desire. We are driving over the bridge and in front of us we have the head-up display. Information currently is quite narrow, but you can change it in the settings. So what is now totally new for Mercedes-Benz is that the cars basically come with all hardware possibilities. So with the rear exhaust steering, 360 degrees camera, Distronic Plus, everything. But it is not necessarily in the package of the vehicle. So you have to purchase it. When you order the new one, you can just check the boxes. But in case you want to purchase a used vehicle like this, then you can still, after, purchase it in the Mercedes store. So if the car doesn't have the 360 degrees camera package, for example, then you can still purchase it for a few years and it will be activated. So all the hardware is already installed in the vehicle. The same goes for the rear axle steering. In the S-Class, for example, you can increase it to 10 degrees or leave it at the standard 4.5. So there's also the passenger screen. So let's have a look over here. You have all the different apps. If I ignore the screen, eventually it will appear. And you can have your Teams meetings with the camera that is located right there. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the new C-Class, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.